So you have traditionals, you have Roth, SEPs, and simples. You have all the options. So if you were to go, if you say, let's say you're looking for a Roth, which is very popular with crypto folks, and you want that tax post-tax money, right? You're not going to get that advantage on the taxes on the front side, but on the back side, you're going to get tax-free distributions. So you can turn something from like Ed Moy from $5,000 to over $500,000. And when you take distribution, you're going to have zero taxes. You can also do with traditionals, where if you put $5,000 in this year, you're going to lower your tax bill by $5,000, or at least your tax assessment. So if you made $100,000 and you put $5,000 in an IRA, now you have $95,000 as your earned in. So all those same vehicles that exist in IRAs, it's just, hey, let's do it with different assets. That's all it is.
That's interesting. Actually, I thought that you could only do it like a post-tax. I didn't think that you could do like the
you can do pre-tax, post-tax account.
SEPs. Yeah.
Which SEPs are probably pretty popular for your audience, Danny, because they're self-employed, right? If they are running their own, like you said, you're running your own real estate mogul, right? You're a real estate mogul. So you could put more aside. So with a Roth and a traditional, you're limited to $7,000 if you're under 50, 8,000, or 7,500 if you're under 50, 8,000 if you're over 50. Nowadays, it keeps changing every year, it keeps going up. So you should check with your tax advisor. But that's your limit. With a SEP, you actually have the ability to put upwards of $56,000 aside in tax deferment. That's what everybody's looking for, right? At the end of the day.
Right. Yeah. Super interesting, man. And it's funny, it's like there's so many people out there that just have no idea that they can invest into alternatives with an IRA. They just assume like, I can only like have it in like public equities or like bonds or like whatever, derivative of like the public markets, right? Like they don't even understand that you can invest in private investments with IRAs. And I think the education is even nowadays pretty sparse out there on like how to go about doing that. So you set those up for people then, Chris, is what you were doing before? Okay.
That's what we're doing for real estate, LLCs, all kinds of derivatives. And then it came across the desk to do Bitcoin. And
guys, these are the types of investing secrets that financial advisors have nightmares about. They don't want you knowing that these types of alternative IRA strategies exist. They want to keep your money inside of their system. But the savviest investors know that there are so many different strategies out there that don't require you putting all of your eggs in the Wall Street basket.